still have to look cool, you know me, Ash. Okay, so next week I am gonna wear, this week.
Do you need to be doing that to show the camera how many skirts you've got?
No, but my lips were dry. I'm not showing the camera, I'm showing you. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, these are my skirts and my tights. So I wore this one last week. Another one from Zara, but a different shape. A lot of my skirts are from Zara because I like Zara skirts. I might wear this one tomorrow. Mustard on trend. Mustard's on trend.
It's been on trend for years.
I love this one, Forever 21. It's a sparkly number, but it looks good at work when I wear it with a white t-shirt. This one I bought this season in Zara. I really like embroidery style, but I like it. Hold on, I've got more to choose from. I could wear this suede one. I need to wear this one, I haven't worn this one. So this one, nice suede one. I might wear it with a denim shirt, blue denim shirt. I've got this one, but it's quite old now, so I don't know if it still looks good or not. But it's nice, I like the cut of it. This one I can't wear because I can't walk in it. It's a bit too long and lycra. It's more of a going out skirt, tight fit one. If me and you ever went out anywhere. This one's also more of a going out one. It's got a lovely zip at the back. And I love this one. I got it on eBay. It's a mango one, leather, real leather, like a biker one. Short skirts look good on me because I'm short, rather than long ones which make me look shorter, which I really like this one. What do you think of this one?
Nice.
And then I have this one, which was the most expensive one. It's real leather, soft leather, but it's a bit too long for me. So I might actually sell this one, but I'll keep holding it for now. And then I have all my tights in here, which I think are really necessity in this weather. Okay, so I need to choose 5 skirts. I only got work at 4 days, so I need 4 skirts. These 4 skirts. Mango, biker one, old Zara one, Forever 21 suede, real suede, and mustard on trend Zara floaty one. 4 skirts. Now I've just got to choose the tops. Everyone can see I'm coming. So my first entry of my dressing room diaries is just uploading, and I'm really excited to see if you guys are going to enjoy this series. I think I've been thinking long and hard about my YouTube channel, and I sometimes think, what's the point? Like, does anyone care? Like, should I bother carrying on? And then sometimes I get the sweetest, most loveliest comment, and then I'm like, I can't stop. I've been doing this for so long, since 2011, and I've really enjoyed so many aspects of it, and I love the part of the creativity, creating content and editing a video, and I just get so much pleasure out of it, and I think I would really miss that. So I've been thinking, you know, how can I combine all the things I really like, which are fashion and beauty and lifestyle and just kind of aspects of my life, without it being forced or having to take too much of my time outside of my full-time job, my gym life, just everything. So actually, this is the place I love the most in my whole house. I love my dressing room. I spend so much time here. I love everything about it. I've styled it exactly how I want it. I have all my clothes here, which I totally love. And I figured, you know what? I pressed my camera to record, and I'm going to show you guys what I do in this room. So, you know, from picking an outfit out on a Sunday night or any night of the week for work, or, you know, just sitting reading a book, or, you know, putting on makeup, or putting an outfit together, or just sorting things, or eBaying, or, I mean, listening to music. I do so much stuff in this room. This is my room. This is my sanctuary. This is my place where, you know, my creative juices flow, and this is who I am in a room. And sharing it with you guys is, I think, going to be the next step of my journey on YouTube. So I'm really excited. Guys, I've been working hard at the gym. You can start seeing some definition I'm starting to get in my arms, and, you you know, I've not been doing keto as much. I've not been as strict on myself with the diet, but I'm going to get back on it because I have put on a few pounds. But gym wise, you can probably see I'm pretty, you know, I'm getting pretty toned, and you know, my body is something that at 36 years old I want to look after, and I want to treat with a lot of care and respect. And you know, it's been good to me and I want to be good to it back. So I'm going to continue with my keto, and definitely keep on building these guns up. Not too big though. I don't want to be too hench, but definitely being toned and fit is